I am literally obsessed with everything Kawaii Slime Company. I am like Roxanne's biggest fan right now. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different type of video for you. I'm going to be doing a slime supplies haul because I just got back from Slime Vegas. By the way, if there's boxes and stuff in the background, that is why, because I brought some slime and some other stuff back from Slime Vegas and we went to the Daiso store and bought a whole bunch of stuff. So sorry that my background is like a mess. Anyways, while I was at Slime Vegas, I got invited to Kawaii Slime Company's warehouse, and y'all, I was so shook. By the way, Roxanne is the sweetest, and I'm trying to convince her to get a YouTube channel and start posting little things about her warehouse and stuff, like a warehouse tour. I think that'll be super cool, so go let her know on Instagram that you want to see that, because her warehouse is epic. She seriously has like everything, and I was just in heaven the entire time that I was there. There was a bunch of people there. Glitter.slimes was there, Carly from Slime City V was there, Anxiety Slimes was there, Marshmallow Slime was there, Mermaid Slimes was there, Slime Fantasies was there. Just a whole bunch of people were there, and we were just having a tour of the facility, and it was slime heaven. Like, none of us wanted to leave, and it was just so much fun. Roxanne also let us go shopping. She normally doesn't do that, by the way. I know a lot of people saw like Instagram stories and were asking if she has an actual store. Yeah, she does, but it's online. Like, her warehouse isn't technically open for people just to go and shop. It's not like a shopping store, but you can definitely shop online. I will make sure to leave her link down below in the description bar so that you can go ahead and shop online if you would like to get some of the stuff that you see today. So I'm going to show you what's in this huge box of slime supplies, but first I wanted to show you all these slimes here. I actually got 3 different slimes because you know I had to snatch some slime. I love slime so much, and Roxanne slimes are amazing. So I was like, you know what? Let me get some slime first, and then we'll get some supplies. So the first slime that I got is called You Cute Doe, like You Cute Doe. You get it? But it's also a doe, like a deer. Anyways, I love this slime so much. I'm actually playing with it right now as I edit. It is amazing, y'all. First of all, I love the colors. It just totally gives me like springtime happy vibes, and I dig it so hard. And I love the little charms that come with it and the sprinkles, and it smells like birthday cake. It's super, super cool. And the texture of this is a little bit different. I think it's using the Kawaii Slime Company clay, and then there's also a cloud slime mixed into it as well. The second slime that I snatched is Watermelon Patch, and I was playing with this one all the way home. I love this one so much. It's a thick and glossy base, and it's scented like watermelon candy. It smells super, super good. It has those large green foam beads, and then it also has some hard sponges in it that give it a really nice texture, and the bubble pops are just unreal. And the third and final slime that I picked up from Kawaii Slime Company is called Green Goddess, and I love this slime so much as well. All the slimes were super, super good. This one was a sugar scrub slime, but it also had a little bit of fishbowl beads in there. It was packed with this huge charm. It was like a mermaid tail charm, and it's just super, super magical. It's packed with glitters as well. It's just amazing, and I love the slime so much. It's super, super crunchy. So those were the 3 slimes that I got. Now let me show you what type of slime supplies that I got, because I got a lot of it. So first I got these cute unicorn charms. They're actually pretty big for a resin charm. And I got 3 packs of these. There's like 4 in them, I believe. There's a total of 12 in here. I thought I bought another pack. Oh, I did, yeah, see? So there's 16. I love math. So there's 16 charms here. They're super cute. They come in purple, blue, and pink, and like an ombre color as well. I love these so much. Next, I got a whole bunch of pink and purple ombre pom-poms because they're just so adorable. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm probably gonna do like a unicorn pom-pom type thing, but you know, I had to snatch them. I also got some sprinkles, you know, just some sprinkles. I also got these mixed bag of charms. There's a bunch of cute charms in here, so if you ever like just want some random really cute charms, make sure you check out her shop because she does these like little grab bag type things. So they're just completely random charms in here and they're just so adorable. So I got 2 packs of these just so I can kind of, you know, test the waters with other charms, because there's some that I have never even seen before. Like there's a huge cherry in here and it feels almost like foam, not foam, but like a hard styrofoam. So I'm really excited to see how that holds up in slime. And then my aunt got these little peach things. These, I think she's planning on doing something like for a video. She didn't get that many, she only got 2 of them. I also got a set of pigment powders just to try out. These are like really neon and fluorescent, so I'm excited for these. My aunt also got these huge marshmallow foam beads. These are like way bigger than the regular marshmallow foam beads that you might find in slime. We're interested to test these out and see. I think Roxanne did say that these will disintegrate over time into the slime. However, regular marshmallow beads do as well, so you know, it's not a real big deal. But she was definitely wanting to test these out, and I do too. So we got some of these. And then I went ham and bought a whole bunch of clay, y'all, because I just really wanted a lot of clay. If you've never tried Kawaii Slime Company's clay, you are missing out. It is so good. It makes a really, really smooth slime. Also very inflatable slime. If you are into the inflating slimes, you're definitely gonna love this. So I got some neon colored clay. I got a bunch of red clay as well. And when I say a bunch, I'm telling you, y'all, I got a bunch. I was actually not sure what I wanted to do with this clay, but Nicolette from Glitter Slimes actually gave me a really good idea, and I don't even know if she knew, but she said that it looks like Twizzlers red because it's kind of like a reddish orange kind of color, and girl, she is right. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna make a Twizzlers puff slime. So it's like a super inflatable slime. It's gonna smell just like Twizzlers. I'm really excited about that. Yes, God. And then of course I had to get some white clay as well, so you know, just random white clay for any type of puff slimes that I want to make. Maybe some creamy butter slimes, you know, just, yes. I started off very organized, but now everything's just kind of everywhere, so that's kind of my life. Oh, one more. Now, I know this is already a lot of supplies, but I did get some other things, and I'm going to show you that right now because it's probably one of the most exciting things I've seen in my life. And that sounds kind of sad, but they're so freaking cute. I got Macaron Containers. Like, how adorable are these? Oh my God, you can't barely tell. I'm gonna open one just so that you all can see them. It's legit a macaroon. Look at this. Take it out here. And it holds 8.5 ounces of slime. This is what Roxanne told me. Look at that, it's so adorable. It's a little macaroon. I like can't even with it, and it has room inside for slime to hold 8.5 ounces. I am so excited to stock these. I bought so many of them in every color that she had, honestly. So this is gonna be bomb.com. I got the pink ones. Of course, I had to get the yellow ones as well because they're so adorable and it's my favorite color. Purple ones. And I got these pistachio colored green ones. I think these are so adorable and I just love them. I can't wait to put some slime in there. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I should put like a white glue based slime or a clear based slime in here. I'm conflicted because I think this would be super cool with a clear slime inside. However, I think it'll look more realistic with a white glue base, maybe like a butter slime almost, that it looks like a cream filling from the macaron. So let me know what I should do because I honestly don't know. I am literally obsessed with everything Kawaii Slime Company. I am like Roxanne's biggest fan right now. I just fangirl over everything super cute, and Kawaii Slime Company has everything cute. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it's a little bit different because I don't normally do like any type of haul type videos on this channel. I would normally do something like this on my vlog channel, but you know, I'm just trying new things, testing the waters out. So let me know if you liked it, because I have a whole bunch of scents coming in. If you want me to do a scent haul / review and let you all know what scents are good, then let me know, because I just spent $300 on scents and they about to come very soon, so I could definitely do that. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to Roxanne from Kawaii Slime Company, and honestly just the whole Kawaii Slime Company team. You all are amazing. I love you all so much, and thank you for inviting everyone over to come and like tour your facility and, you know, just have fun there. It was amazing, and I honestly didn't want to leave. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!